Hello and welcome back. So today I'm getting ready for work, so I thought I would just film how I curl my hair every day. I like this wave because it's nice and beachy and it doesn't look like you tried too hard, but it's easy and that works for me. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, then just keep watching. Thanks! Hello everyone. So for this look, you're going to need a hair tie or a clip and your curling iron. This is my Hot Tools wand that I love very much. Now for the first section, I'm going to section it at my ear and then hair tie the rest of my hair up. I always like to part my hair in these two sections so I know I get everything. I take about an inch to a 2-inch section. Now I'm going to wrap this first curl away from my face. Hold until it's ready. And then this next one, I'm going to curl towards my face. That's how you achieve a very beachy, tousled look, is if you curl them opposite of each other. If you curl everything the same way, it all kind of clumps together. I learned that the hard way. That's how I used to curl my hair. So this last one will be away from my face. I always let my curls set. I don't touch them or pull them apart yet. I kind of let everything cool down. Alright, I'm going to finish curling this side of my hair, and then I'm going to speed this up a little bit so you guys don't have to watch the whole thing. Okay, so when I get to this very last section close to my face, I start to take smaller sections. That way the curls aren't as big and you can kind of see them a little bit better. So while I finish this up, let me speed you back up. Okay, so I'm just going to grab my brush and tease the top a little bit just to kind of make it a little more fluffier. So now I'm going to grab my wide tooth comb and just kind of tease up the mid-lengths just a little bit. just to kind of give it some volume throughout the whole thing. Well, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything else you guys want to see. Thanks for watching!